have 10 things that you should be buying from the Dollar Tree in October. Plus, I'm gonna include all the Amazon dupes and lookalikes that I found so that you can save. But if you prefer to shop Amazon, those links will be in the description box below for you. Like this gem right here we'll get to in just a second. Not gonna lie, this is pretty good quality for the Dollar Tree if you're working out, reading a recipe, whatever your heart desires.
Let's start with some festive stuff in our number one spot. I love these because they are microwavable safe. They're super festive, super cute, and I think these are things that you will come back to. Let's talk about these glow-in-the-dark pumpkin teeth. $10 I found on Amazon for the exact same thing, so definitely run on over to your local Dollar Tree and get those. Fell in love with these high-quality festive votives from the Dollar Tree. I just love that leaf detail. You can use this all fall, and it goes great with any sort of decor that you have in your home. These pumpkin candles, you're going to see a clip here in just a second where I demonstrate it in my home, but I love the gold, I love the black, and then they also had a silver one. I found these retailing on Amazon for about $15. So this was definitely a steal.
Love, love, love this. And can you see it has a little bit of a crackling flame that you would typically buy with those special wicks? This is adorable. And finally, something at the Dollar Tree that doesn't look cheap and gaudy. Oh, and the best part about this, if you do not like scented candles, this is definitely a winner.
When I saw these clippable pumpkins at my Dollar Tree, I had to grab a few. They just got these in stock within the last month. They didn't previously have these. And then these adorable faux leather pumpkins you can use for so many different craft projects. You could also use it to make a centerpiece. I am not particularly crafty myself, but I bet you can come up with some really great ideas on how to use these beautiful items. We got them in green and white and red. Yes, these are coming home with me. I'm going to show you. They also had these in these really adorable back clips, 4 in a pack. You can see here sparkly purple and then also in black.
Let's take this beautiful wreath up a notch, shall we? Now that is so stinking cute. Thumbs up, my friend.
If you love all things apples and cinnamon and pumpkin spice in your vehicle, you're definitely going to want to get these vent clips. Found them on Amazon for almost $8, so go ahead and snag some. This was such a steal of a deal. This Autobahn, typically this is only in the smaller sizes at your local Dollar Tree, but you can also get it on Amazon for $16.99.
Such a good deal for this. Love this down your drain, your garbage disposal, entryway, doors, handles, floors, shoes, smelly garbage cans. Yes, and even your toilet. And by the way, this smell is lovely. Not overpowering, but just enough yum. This is also really good on your mattresses.
Luggage tags at the Dollar Tree. This is definitely a steal of a deal, and it came in so many different colors. You can see there's a 4-pack here for almost $11 on Amazon. So this is definitely a good deal. Now, I do not have a dog, but I know if you are a dog owner, you're definitely cleaning up a bunch of things. Now, price for price, it is a better steal at the Dollar Tree for these black ones right here. Let us know in the comments box below if you've tried these Dollar Tree ones. I got so excited when I found these acrylic bins. I have the perfect project that I'm going to show you here in just a second. But yes, this is perfect. Definitely a steal of a deal compared to Amazon at about $14 or $15, although I do love Amazon. And then again, check out all of these beautiful colored baskets, fall festive, right here for you.
Now that looks a bit atrocious. That looks so much better. Look at how much space I have.
Get your phone clips here from the Dollar Tree. I've tried their pop sockets in the past, and I would give it a thumbs up, especially considering the price for it. When I picked up this phone holder, it looks like a flower. I didn't exactly know if it would work or not, and I found the exact same item on Amazon for almost $6.
When I first saw this, I was like, okay, that's a chintzy cheap thing from the Dollar Tree. Like, will that actually work? You got to get the suction cups a little bit moist, whether with water or a little bit of saliva, your choice. You want to stick it on a surface such as this. When I did put it on my wood desk, it did not stick, but I am loving this. You can turn this and rotate it any way that you want to, but I'm very excited to use this in my kitchen. It's going to have its very own home right in this cupboard. I didn't realize how badly I needed this cell phone ring until I actually got one. Then I really realized how much I needed it, but look at this. This is amazing. Not only does it hold your phone up, but oftentimes what I'll do if I'm working on my phone and then working on the computer, I just prop it up and do what I need to on here and do workout videos to this. If you're brand new here, I do have a fitness channel I will link in the description box below, but I would definitely recommend these. And in the past, the Dollar Tree phone accessories have worked pretty well considering the $1.25 price point. But if you're looking for something that is a sure fit, I do recommend this one. This is the Sonics brand and it has a nice mirror on the back. Never again will you be the weirdo in the restaurant using the knife to check to see if you have food in your teeth. This works perfect. By the way, thumbs up if you've ever done that before. I'm definitely guilty of that one. This is a bonus tip here for you as well. These sewing kits were at the register. I'd always have to go to my mom's house just to sew little things, but not anymore. Everything that I need is in here for just $1.25.
Now these candy jars really caught my eye. This is a bonus here. These are so adorable. You could use these in your laundry room, not just for candy or for particular art projects.
Now that just looks so adorable. Don't mind if I do. Hate the Dollar Tree stickers, but you can buy some Goo Gone, such as this from the Dollar Tree. It's just a small bottle. This, hands down, is the best sticker remover. It beats all the all-natural remedies out there. How do I know it? Because I've tried. If you want a bigger bottle of this, I'll also link that below because I do go through this a lot. I use this on clothes. In fact, I did an entire video where I removed stickers on clothes after it already had been washed, so let me link that below for you as well. I'm gonna let that sit for a hot second. That came off so easily. I needed one hand to hold the mug, but look at that. I am so excited about this coffee mug. By the way, I just redid my entire pantry using Amazon products. Make sure that you are subscribed with those notification bells turned on so you do not miss that. Also, in that video, I'm going to be giving away 4 $50 Amazon gift cards, so you do not want to miss that. Also, click the video on screen. Now, currently I'm doing a giveaway on my kitchen Amazon organization project, which includes 18 must-have Amazon kitchen finds. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one. Cheers.